The boy who cried wolf. A boy who lived in a village near a forest was a prankster. He would often cry out wolf, wolf, wolf when there was no wolf in sight, just to scare the villagers. The villagers would always come running to help the boy, but they would soon realize that he was lying. One day, a real wolf came into the village and attacked the sheep. The boy cried out wolf, wolf, wolf as loud as he could, but the villagers didn't believe him. They thought that he was just trying to play another prank on them. The wolf ate the sheep and then ran away. The boy learned his lesson and never cried wolf again. Moral: don't lie or you won't be believed when you tell the truth.